In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to reach your sales goals through a proven marketing formula. Now, the formula we're going to talk about generates real-life revenue for 282 businesses in the Middle Tennessee area every day. So let's answer the first question. Why in the world should you listen to me? I get it. I'm one of a lot of people on the internet that are promising to help you get more leads for your business. So what makes us different? Well, we're actually a real-life agency that is based in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. We're just south of Nashville. We're local to Tennessee, and our team of 20 people, we're experts in helping local businesses get more customers. In fact, as I said, we currently work with hundreds of businesses in all kinds of arenas. We worked with dentists, lawyers, construction companies, printers, event venues, pest control companies, accountants, pet groomers. There are so many more. We love local business owners, and our relational approach to serving their business sets us apart. Our clients have similar struggles. They have money to spend on marketing, but they're really not sure what to do with it. That's why our 7-step formula is our specialty. It optimizes those precious marketing budgets to bring results in an organized, effective, and affordable way. How do we do that? That's the question, right? Well, we use this formula that we call the Get More Customers formula. And whether you work with us or not, you need to make sure that all 7 strategies are in your marketing plan. And after hundreds and hundreds of reps and examples of applying this formula, I can say confidently that if all 7 of these tactics are being executed properly by your local business, they are guaranteed to get more customers. So what are the 7 steps of the formula? Well, start the clock, because the next 7 minutes have the potential to change your business forever. All right, let's go. Let's just say that a guy named Will wants to open a waxing shop to help hairy men. I know, crazy example, but we'll use it. Now, that means that Will is opening up a local business. A local business is any business that has an address, a phone number, and serves a specific area. Since Will has a local business, he needs to get the word out about his waxing services to the people in his community. He's tried everything he knows to market his business, but he still can't get the customers he needs. So he heads over to the Boro Business Lab for help. And lucky for him, our team's been in the lab creating the perfect marketing playbook for local businesses. It's called the Get More Customers formula. And when all 7 steps are executed properly, as we've already said, it's guaranteed to bring more customers. So let's start with step 1. Will needs to get listed on local directories. We're going to claim his business on Google. We're going to optimize the Google listing. And then we're going to make sure he's listed in all of the over 200 local directories. Why are local directories important? Well, they're like speakers spread across the internet that blast your information to Google and tell them that your business is legit. Now, if you aren't in the directories, it's like the speakers are turned off and it's pretty quiet and Google isn't really sure who you are. And if the information isn't correct, it's like white noise that confuses Google. But when all of the local directories are listed, the speakers are on, everything's clear, it's a huge step towards establishing digital credibility for a local business. And once we turn all of Will's red X's into green checks, we move on to step 2. And step 2 is where we get Woolly Will lots of positive reviews for his waxing shop. Google loves it when a local business gets consistent positive reviews. It's a cue to them that Woolly Will is waxing royalty and should shoot up the search engine rankings. To get Will his reviews, we'll use a software we created that gives him his very own link to send to customers via text, email, or carrier pigeon. It doesn't matter, as long as they get that link. Then they click the thumbs up to leave a positive review that takes them right where they need to go. If they click the thumbs down, for some crazy reason, they'll be sent to fill out a form. And that form will be sent to Woolly Will, and he'll have a chance to respond and intercept, hopefully, a negative review before it happens. Now that Will's got tons of positive reviews, let's move on to step 3. Step 3 is all about building Woolly Will a beautiful website that'll serve as his online hub for digital leads. Since our team at Boro Business Lab has built over 500 websites, we'll set Will up in no time with a site that he's proud to show off. The best part is that it'll be optimized for search engines and pass a 139 checkpoint inspection to ensure it's perfect before it's launched. Now, once Woolly Will gets listed in directories, has stellar reviews, and a beautiful website, it's time to get social. Step 4 is all about social media. See, we post on Will's social media feeds at least 3 times a week, and we make sure that he's not being too salesy. And this builds Will's audience online. The best part is we do all the work for him. Our team can also search out Will's ideal customer, and we'll go on their accounts and like and comment. So Will can build a community of followers through engagement. We also help him figure out what to post and when to post it. That helps him spend his time, waxing people. I don't know, but it's not on social media. Okay, let's move on to step 5. Step 5 is all about that email list. Let's set up a system for Woolly Will where he can collect emails and then offer promotions to his email list. His email list will then become one of his most valuable digital assets for his business. Our team will create and send 1 email newsletter a month for Will to help him build trust with people on his list. Then we'll help him create his own Groupon-like promotions that create urgency and include a discount and a deadline. This is going to bring traffic to his store anytime he needs it. And step 6 is paid ads. Once we get through with email marketing, we begin the really cool stuff. Using paid ads for a local business can sometimes feel like throwing money out the window. Whether it's Google ads or Facebook ads or really any paid advertising platform, without professional help, it can make Woolly Will want to pull his hair out. See what I did there? Our team of professionals will set up and manage the paid ads for Will's business and make sure that when he gives Mark Zuckerberg $1, Mark's going to give him back $2. We offer multiple options when it comes to paid ads. You see, you can run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, and guess what? We even have an influencer marketing agency that will help you run influencer campaigns in the Middle Tennessee area. So the final step of the Get More Customer formula is search engine optimization. That's SEO. And SEO can be intimidating to say the least. Making sure that Will's got the proper H1 tags, backlinks, site hierarchy, and all the things to rank on Google, it feels a bit like the wizarding world of Harry Potter. But lucky for Woolly Will, our team speaks SEO like it's our first language. And we'll make sure that Google tells all of the hairy men in his community about his waxing greatness. So there you have it. When Woolly Will's House of Waxing follows the Get More Customers formula, they're going to be rolling in the dough thanks to their partners at the Boro Business Lab. Now, how about you? How does all this matter to you? Well, the question is, can we apply the formula to your business? I would love for our team of almost 20 people to go to work for your business and apply every step of this formula for as little as, get this, $1,435 a month. That's it. And it's a lot less than hiring a single entry-level employee for your business. And we're not going to quit on you or call in sick. You see, that price, it includes every level of our formula: the local directories, the reviews, the website creation, maintenance, hosting, social media creation, posting, engagement, email marketing, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, influencer marketing campaigns, search engine optimizations. All of these services are applied to your business for one low price. If this is at all interesting to you and you have around $1,500 to $2,000 a month to invest in marketing for your business, I invite you to book a call with our sales team. They're going to show you exactly how we can apply our formula to your business. A local business that is in growth mode is going to invest between 5% to 10% of their top line revenue to marketing. So if that math works for you and it comes out to $1,500 to $200 to $2,000 per month, then this is a no-brainer. To book a call and let us show you how we can help. Hey, I just want to say thank you for your time. And whether we get to work together or not, I wish your business all the success in the world.